Hey superstars, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. We make money make sense. So far, we've talked about spending, saving, credit, and even borrowing money. But now let's learn how to plan your money before you even spend it. That's called budgeting.
What is a budget? A budget is a money plan. How much to spend, how much to save, and where your money should go.
It's like making a map for your money. If you don't have a map, you might get lost, right? Same with money. Without a plan, it disappears fast. Let's say you get $10 a week in allowance. Without a budget, you might buy 3 cupcakes and a slime kit by Tuesday. Then boom, your money's gone. But with a budget, you plan ahead and let's say $5 for fun stuff, $3 for saving, and $2 for snacks. Now your money lasts longer and you're in control. Here's an easy way to start budgeting. First, know how much money you have. Is it allowance, birthday money, chores? Then write down what you need. Snacks, art supplies, that new game. Finally, divide it up. You can use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Ask your grown-up to help you. You can even use a notebook or an app to track it. Budgeting equals freedom, because when you know where your money goes, you're the boss. So always budget before you spend. Check your plan often. Save for big goals, not just quick treats, and try to stick to the plan, but have a little fun too. Alright, let's recap. A budget is your plan for money. It helps you spend, save, and stay on track. You decide where every dollar goes, and smart budgeting equals smart choices. Next time, we're doing something a little different. We're bringing current world issues alive in a fun way that helps you understand what's going on around you. It's time to uncover the mystery of tariffs and recessions and how it affects the economy. Until then, like and subscribe for more content like this. See you soon, superstars.